Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. This dude, he wants to race, and I'm gonna give him what he wants. He wants to go for it. Fine. But I'm taking his pink slips ASAP, bro. ASAP, bro. Ooh, ooh. If the audio sounds a little choppy, it's because I got the DJI mini mic mini connected through Bluetooth. I got it connected to Bluetooth. Why do I got it connected to Bluetooth? Because people, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna send my X4 Insta360 to the shop to get the lens fixed, and before dropping that off tomorrow to get that done, I picked up the X6. I'm sorry, I'm going ahead of myself, the X5. So I have the X5 right now. You're seeing me through the X5, and the USB mic attachment is on a different spot of the camera. It's not on the same original spot as the X4. Why do they do that? I mean, I know why they do that. Fucking money gouging type tactics. I get it. So yeah, so I gotta buy a whole new microphone adapter. Fucking sucks ass. That took off slow as hell. I don't know why, but it did. It took off super slow. Wind is not going in my favor, as it usually isn't on this road. There we go. So yeah, man, I'm excited to see what this camera does at night. I heard it's much better at night, so we're gonna see what that's about. Stay with me till the end of this video, and you'll see tonight. Or skip, I guess, whatever. But yeah, I figured I can't be a month without a camera, you know what I mean? Like, I'm hooked on my editing, so fun. So I said, let me buy this X5 and then just some X4 to get worked on. And maybe I'll be that douche with a fucking camera in the front and in the rear of their, machine. Let's go.